Hey guys, this is Anisha from Vibha Jewellers, and in this video I'm going to show you some very latest collection that we got in the store, starting from traditional pieces like the one I'm wearing to contemporary pieces and lightweight. Everything I'm going to show you a mix in this video. So look at the design, the set that I'm wearing here. It's a very traditional Kasumala. These are always in trend, and these always look very beautiful when you're wearing something traditional. This is a nice beautiful Vardhanam here. It's a very lightweight Vardhanam, but then it looks very heavy. This has all emerald drops, and it's an Ashtalakshmi Vardhanam. This is in just 100 grams. This Vardhanam is in just 100 grams. So people who want to go for something simple in the Nakshi, you can go for something like this. You know, people nowadays are having different kind of Vardhanams for different jewelry. So why spend a lot for Nakshi when you can have a beautiful piece in a very less budget? So this Vardhanam here without the belt is just in 100 grams. So also look at the sari that I'm wearing now. It's a very different, it's a Kanchipattu sari but worn very differently. So I recently learned how to wear a sari like this, and I'm loving this drape. This is a very traditional Kanchipattu sari, but the drape is very latest. It looks kind of like a lehenga. At the same time, it has all the traditional vibe to it. So people who want to experiment with different kind of drapes can go for something like this, and there are a lot of different draping styles available online. So why just go for the traditional old boring drape? When you can have different style. So apart from going to different saris, I'm also trying on different drapes, and I'm also telling you different styles to go with your jewelry. So keep watching our YouTube channel and also keep updated on our Instagram also, so to get more updates on the latest trends and the latest styling tips that I'm going to give you that go with the latest jewelry available right now. So this is about the set. Now I'm going to show you another beautiful set that's just like a Kasumala but with a good Bottumala touch to it. So this is a Bottumala come Kasuhar. So Kasuhars were experimenting in new ways because the traditional Kasuhar is always there, but people who want to go for something new in that could want to go for something like this. This looks like a Bottuhar, but completely in gold, with all Lakshmi Devis in between, and the embossing also is there. So it's not the plain Kasu, there's an embossing and there is slight Kundan touch to it if you want to add that stone look. And I have paired this with the same Vardhanam because the Vardhanam keeps the whole set in place. So this is a very traditional looking thing, and it goes very well with this sari. So it actually goes very well with any of your Kanchipattu saris. So if you want to, have a different look, then you can go for a different drape. And then there is this nice buttas that I've given to this. These are very huge buttas. They look very big, and since I'm just wearing a Kasuhar to, give that heavy look, I have paired them with nice big jhumkas. So the jhumkas itself are very trendy now because the size itself is huge. And then there is nice round peacock on the stud, and then there is a nice big jhumka. So both of them are very big, the jhumka and the stud, and it goes very well. The round pattern actually goes very well with the round kasus that we have in the set. So have a look at this design, and the Kasuhars are always new designs coming in Kasuhars and Vibha Jewellers. So if you want to have a look at all other designs also, you can visit the store Vibha Jewellers in Manikonda. We always have 5 to 6 pieces of Kasuhars, different styles, but everything that is in trend available in the store. And we are also opening another extension to the store Vibha Jewellers in 1 to 2 months. So I'll keep giving you updates about that new store, and about the new innovative designs that we are getting in. So please do watch our YouTube channel and keep updated on our Instagram page as well. So I'll be showing you some now latest trendy designs, not something traditional, but beads, jewelry and all such things in coming soon. So now that we've seen the traditional khasus and bottumala, now I'm going to show you some very simple contemporary pieces. See, like the one that I'm wearing, this is a nice diamond choker with all pearls. There are 5 rows pearls in this. So it looks very elegant and contemporary, I must say. So people who don't like a complete choker can go for something like this. This sits well on the neck, on anybody's neck. It looks very elegant. You can wear it down also. If you don't want to completely cover your neck, you can wear it like this also, and it looks very different. So the dress I'm wearing here is a very traditional one. It's a lehenga, but this goes well with the lehenga also. The color stone in between has to be mentioned, especially because the color stone is very unique. It's a light color emerald. It's a very big emerald. The emerald itself gives a very stylish look to the set. This we call a diamond choker, and this is not in diamonds. I must say this is in lab grown diamonds. So small pieces like this we're making in lab grown diamonds to get down the budget. These pieces you can just purchase in like 3-4 lakhs like that, so that you have multiple pieces to wear for simple occasions. This looks heavy, but it's actually a very simple piece with South Sea pearls and all the small rings also in between the South Sea pearls, if you can notice. That brings the shine to the set, overall shine. So it's a very completely different piece. So these kind of different pieces, not any design like that, different kind of pieces. We have multiple pieces in the store. So do visit Vibha Jewellers if you want to purchase something simple and trendy that you can easily wear for many occasions. Now the next set I'm showing you is a very simple Victorian pendant. This is just a small pendant, but the way we have strung it and all, it gives a very complete different look. It looks more like a set rather than a pendant. So there are emeralds here and a tassel. This tassel is very much in trend. You can wear this tassel with something like the one I'm wearing. This dress also, it gives a very different look to it. And the bunch of pearls here will make the set look much more heavier than it actually is. So it's just a small pendant. I must say the pendant is, the overall piece is in 13 grams, just 13 grams. But it gives you a nice, rich, heavy look, so that you can wear something like this for night weddings also. So night weddings, receptions, and any cocktail parties also you can wear this. It gives a very, stylish look to your outfit. So this set we've paired with a nice pair of earrings. So these earrings are also not very heavy. They're nice and classy look. They look really elegant, and they're easy to wear, I must say, because long earrings now, though they're very much in trend, they're very difficult to wear for a long periods of time. So simple earrings like this you can just wear simply for any of the events, small events that you must be attending. This is a very pretty design, a small piece. It just looks like the one that I'm wearing, but it's a lighter design. And for this, we've paired it with polki earrings. The stud and the hanging, both of them are very neat and small in size, so that you can wear for simple occasions just like that. So these designs you can collars, or you can have a look on Instagram as well for all other such designs like this. We keep having multiple new pieces getting added to the collection, these type designs. So anyone who wishes to purchase some budget friendly pieces within 5 lakhs that are very much in trend, you can come to the store Vibha Jewellers, Manikonda, and also keep looking at our Instagram and YouTube channels. So I'll be showing you other designs now. So this next set I'm showing you is a very simple Victorian pendant. These beads give it a very different look. So this Victorian pendant is still detachable. Nowadays what we're making is we're making a triangle piece behind the pendant, so that these beads, though they are strung neatly one after the other, that is detachable. Before, if we have to string like this, it used to be just fixed to the locket. Now it is detachable here, and the stringing is very differently done. The small moti in between, and two sides we have nice karbuja greens. So this stringing itself gives the pendant a very unique look. At the same time, you can remove this locket from this and wear it in a naan chain, or a black thread kante. We've shown in our other videos the black thread kante. It's a very versatile piece. If you have not seen it, go watch the previous videos and also try to purchase one, because that black thread kante goes well with the Victorian pendants, with the diamond pendants, Nakshi pendants, everything. So if you have a pendant like this which you can wear in beads, nowadays people in the US are bringing us lot of different beads collections, and they're like mixing and matching different pendants that they have. You can do that. So the beads itself give you a very different look, but if you just wear the beads without any pendant, then it doesn't give that nice sophisticated look. So you have to have some element of gold to the beads to give that richness. So these kind of pendants we have plenty in the store, nice Victorian pendants in all sizes, right, from small pendants to heavy pendants, nice big huge pendants also we have. So if you're willing to invest in a very good pendant, then you can go for a very nice big pendant that you can detachable and wear in different kind of beads. So this is one pendant. The next one I'm showing you is Victorian, but Victorian with a Nakshi touch to it. So these are new pendants. Victorian usually comes with only stones, but the one here has a nice Ganesha in between. So this looks very elegant, and it's not completely a Nakshi, neither is it completely stone pattern. It's a mix of both, and the beads are also nice rubies here. So this type of pendants are very much running now. There's a small ruby bead in between in the Ganesha stomach that gives it a very sophisticated look. And the Nakshi engraving here also is made in CAD, so that the design, the features, everything is so much neatly visible. So this pendant, you can, pendants like this are very versatile. Even men can wear it on sherwanis and stuff. And obviously ladies can wear it. You can even put it on your kids also. It will look very pretty and elegant. Small young girls or boys can wear this pendant with beads and it will look very pretty. So more such collections is available in the store. Do visit us, Vibha Jewellers, Manikonda. So this is another very beautiful design, simple yet elegant. It's a nice diamond pendant. There's a very big emerald here. The emerald itself gives you a very good look, and the tassel here is in multicolor. Can you see that? This is half green and half tourmaline beads. So the beauty of this piece comes completely from the color stones in it. The green, the ruby and the tourmalines, everything complement each other very beautifully. This set, simple chain with a nice big pendant, these are worn on fancy saris, chiffons and nice plain saris, satin saris and like that, stuff like that. It looks very pretty. This piece will be highlighted if you wear it on any printed chiffons or plain satins, anything like that. So do visit us. Vibha Jewellers will give you some styling options also in the store, how to wear jewelry, where to match what and all such things. Do visit us and follow us on YouTube and Instagram, and let us know what you think about your jewelry in the comments.